Hello everyone, this is Aya from Hinawi Software. As you can see here in front of me, I have Hinawi Software desktop application opened and I'm logged in from the admin account. So basically the topic for today is extremely crucial and powerful to all types of users, whether we're talking about financially or not, admin or not. It basically depends, of course, on the permissions and the user access list provided, but in general, this is very powerful. And the feature allows you to have filtering windows, filtering outputs regarding all the entries you're looking for in the software. And it all reads from the database itself of Hinawi Software. So it's really important. First of all, you go to the reports menu, and then you go to financial reports. We are going to go through both of them, but let's first see the general ledger. In the general ledger, as we can see here, it shows us basically different types of filtering in order to get the window opened for us and the information displayed in front of us. So basically, you can choose from here the date, whether we're talking about a specific month or week or year, or we can customize freely from here according to the date we want. So we can easily choose from what year to what year are we looking for. Let's say February 1st to this type of date, and then search. As you can see here, it's searching because it's providing everything to us. And notice here, it's a long period of time, basically from 2015 to 2019. However, the searching instantly appeared in front of us. So we customized this and we maximize this in order to view everything. So from here, we can search the filtering to be whether we want by payee number, name, number, account, debit, credit. We can choose the type we want, preferred. And we have two basic search types. We have the search, the normal search, which instantly shows us the search of everything. And we also have the advanced search. So in the advanced search, which is the most powerful searching feature here in this report, basically from here we can select specific module names to search about. So if we want everything regarding the accounting, the fixed asset, the real estate, from here we can choose what is the category we're looking for. So are we looking for the inventory category only, or are we looking for more? Like from here we can select more than one, basically, or are we looking for like opening balance? So in case we're looking for opening balance, we select this. Basically from here, the transaction type, we can either choose from the list or name that starts with. We can instantly right here add what we're looking for, and it will instantly show that you're looking for this. So basically it's very, very powerful and it's very crucial. See here, whenever I type the first letter, it shows me an entire name of the transaction that could be selected. So that is also another powerful feature. One more thing right here, as we can see, is the chart of accounts. So basically from here we can choose what is the chart of accounts we want. If we want all of it, we can instantly select it all from right here. And we can feel free to search by branches. So are we looking for only a first main branch of everything, or the second or the third? So users can feel free. Also, we have the customer names. So are we looking for the specific customer, or are they all customers we want to see? Same thing applies to vendors, to item names, classes. We can select the class we want. We can also select the employee, the department, and instantly all results will display. In case we want to reset everything and start from scratch, we instantly click on the reset right here, which will make everything zero, where we can start all over again, the searching process. So this is regarding the advanced search. Let's go back here to this report. Basically, we can hide the zero transactions. So any zero transaction can be hidden easily in case we want to hide them. And we can also show the source. So in case we're showing the source, as we can see here, it will also show us the source. We can customize columns based on the selected columns required. So we can add from here to here. Basically, we can remove from here to this side. So we can add from left to right or remove from right to left. We can remove them all or add them all, basically. Or we can go here and add all available columns, which will then show us all the columns we want. So it's very, very important, as we can see here. The different types of columns we have is first the account. So this is the chart of accounts first we have. We can go here and click on the first branch, which shows us the main branch. It will show us the account number, the account type as well, the module name, the category, the transaction type, QuickBooks type, date, reference number, name type, memo. We also have the split, the class, the item, the employee, the department, the debit, credit, amount, balance, status, created user, modified user, created date, and modified date. So basically those are the available we have the available columns that can be selected from. Let's click here on the third one. As you can see here, it got more and more in depth. When we click on 4, 5, it will show us the maximum in depth. So another thing here is that if we look closely, when you click Ctrl Y on the keyboard, which is a shortcut, it will display for you the journal, so you can view the journal from here. And this is very, very important because it's a very easy shortcut where you can see everything easily, and you can filter and you can search. So this is a very, very important feature as well, which can also be printed. It can also be exported to Excel. It will show you the status of the transaction type we're talking about, along with, as I said earlier, the date, the reference number, all these types of things, how much debit and credit is there, and of course, whether it's created, approved, released. So that is one more thing. You can, from here, right-click on the module name, and you can view either the source or the journal. So you can feel free to either click on it manually or go through the shortcut of it on the keyboard. So you can feel free to do either of them easily. As I said, also this window and this type of report can be exported to Excel and printed, not just the journal itself. So this is very important, and in this report everything is displayed in one, so all is in just one place. Financial reports and others. Basically, this is the general ledger. It shows you the results of everything you need to know in the system. And also one more thing, it can be built for any reports. So you can feel free to customize columns and get the reports you want. It can be customized easily. The feature of customizing is very user-friendly and flexible. And the advanced search makes it even more user-friendly in order to get exactly what you are looking for. Searching and showing the source is also very, very important, since showing the source can help you understand. And you can also change from here. Let's click on this. When we viewed the source of this module name, basically it showed us the transaction type, but also the date, the reference number, the name, the memo, the account, the debit, and the credit. So this is basically the source of what we selected here. You can know what is the debit and what is the credit easily, and you can change the color in order to have in mind exactly a way which will make you understand everything and not get confused later on. So you can choose this color, for example, click on OK. It will instantly change the color. And we can also set this as default, which is the normal color, the blue one. This is setting it the default. So setting default is the blue color, and then changing the color can be easily altered and changed from here. This is important as well. What else? So you can go to any other transaction type, any other basically module category, and either view the journal of it where it displays the journal, or you can view, as I said, the source as well. So that is one great feature also in the software. And the greatest feature among all is that it literally reads from Hinawi Software database itself rather than reading from QuickBooks, because although QuickBooks is very powerful and it's like connected and integrated with Hinawi Software, both of them, but from here it will read from the database itself of the software, not live from QuickBooks. And this is also another feature which we have covered. This is how you go through all types of branches, and that's how you use it basically. That's how the general ledger is used. That's what it contains. Those numbers, those statuses, whether created, approved, printed, they're very, very important. It will show you even which user did what. So you can from here know that, for example, the admin user has created the following in this account from this debit, this credit, this amount, this is the balance on this date. You can know very, very little details by each and every person who has done anything. So, for example, it shows us here not just the admin, it shows us all users which did anything, any type of transaction. Here it shows us that user 1 has done the following regarding that on this specific date. So it shows us everything, and it shows us if it was even modified by another user. So as you can see here, for example, user 1 has done something specific, and then the same user has modified it. And it shows you what was the creation date and what was the modifying date. So that is powerful in case, for example, some users denied, or for any reason, for control reason, it will show you everything you need to know. And that's why it's very, very important, because it shows you everything, and it shows you the balance, the amounts, the credits, the debits, the departments. It shows you all the details you need to know. So this is regarding the general ledger. Let's go again to the reports, and let's go to the financial reports, but this time let's see all the entries list, or the general journal. So from here we can basically know, as a result of everything, we can know the profit and loss of all. So profit and loss of the company, of the workplace, and everything. So from here also as well, we can specify the filtering date and the filtering type, like the payee name, whether we're looking for only for specific type of criteria, employee, department, or for everything. And we can from here select the date which we want till this date, for example, and we can either search like the normal search, or we can also click on advanced search, which will show us this huge screen where you can search by whatever you want regarding the different criteria and categories of the software. We can reset everything, we can customize column, we can add everything, as I said, so everything will be moved from the available to the actual columns which are being displayed right now. So from here you can see the module name, the category, the transaction type, the QuickBooks type, the date, the reference number, the name, like for example this customer or this vendor. So selecting different vendors, everything can be selected from here and displayed in front of us. Same thing applies to the account. From here you can see the account type, the split, the class also, and the item name, the employee, the department. As we can see here, everything is displayed in front of us, where we can easily scroll through all of them and display all the results we have. We can export them to Excel, and we can print them easily and smoothly. So this again will show you all the entries that has been entered by users before financially, and all the entries are automatically being displayed for you, everything that has been done regarding any entry by any user on which date and what time and what type and what department, and what about the balance, the amount, the credit, the status of them, the modification date, the class, the account, the types, the payee name. So all these types of different filtering can be displayed and seen here in the all entries list of regarding the general journal. So this is the powerful feature for today. You can switch to Arabic, of course, at any time. And we have more further videos in case you want to click on this icon and go to our YouTube channel and watch other videos related to this. And also, this is where you can make sure what exactly is there any other feature added in our new package. So this will display for you all the features newly added to the package, the latest package, because Hinawi Software is continuously adding more features. So more features are continuously updated, improved, implemented, added for the better, of course. So this was the video for today. I hope it was easy, clear, straightforward. Please don't forget to watch our other videos, subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with everyone interested, and thank you.